Learn Filipino 1 minute at a time. For this lesson, let's learn some lunch and dinner vocabulary. Appetizer,
Pampagana.
or simply,
Appetizer.
salad,
Ensalada.
or simply,
Salad.
bread and butter,
Tinapay at mantikilya.
or simply,
Bread and butter.
soup,
Sopas.
or
Sabaw.
main course,
Pangunahing ulam.
or simply,
Main course.
salt and pepper,
Asin at paminta.
or simply,
Salt and pepper.
dessert,
Panghimagas.
or simply,
Dessert.
wine,
Alak. Alak.
coffee or tea,
Kape o tsaa.
or simply,
Coffee or tea.